ELECTROLUX Time Manager Dishwasher.
Yeah. We need to wash all our plates here.
Yeah.
Look, we can use ELECTROLUX finish tablets here. Here we have all the program we can use in this machine, like Eco, Auto, Intensive, Glass Care, Quick Plus, Rinse and Hold, and a Time Manager to make it work at night when electricity is cheaper.
Yeah.
And so on. Delay. Yeah. Let's make some eco washing and see how it will be
Yeah.
after.
So open the pill.
I can't. Packed. Very hard to pack. Put the pill in the pill box.
Close it.
Close it.
Close the dishwasher.
Turn on here.
Oh yeah.
Close the door.
Yep, it's closed.
Choose the program. Eco is good for us. And push the button start. It's all. And after 3 hours 15 minutes we will have clean dishes.
Yep. Okay, so the dishwasher is finished and we can open it.
Our dish is clean.
Yeah.
Clean. Oh.
Also, the pill box is automatically opened. That's nice.
Yeah, it's empty.
Yeah.
And what we have here,
How clean are we?
Yeah.
Wow, crystal.
Exactly. Okay, they are fine.
They're crystal clean.
Crystal clean. And let's see
The pan.
the pan.
Okay, it's not really.
Not really clean, but it was before this.
Yeah. So,
The-
I mean, I cleaned it.
But it without fat now.
Yeah.
It cleans than before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Just unload it now.
And this one.
Yeah, this one's clean.
It's cleaner than before, but it have
Oh yeah.
some.
Here. Yeah, this is not clean.
Okay.
If it's not clean, it's not right.
So maybe it's eco. We need more powerful
Yeah.
options here. But it's so for demo.
Yeah.